Rough videos.
Hi, my ILS students. Let's take a deep breath in. Inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. This week we are working on touch math. And yesterday we did touch math addition with regrouping. And today we're gonna do subtraction with regrouping. So before we do any subtraction, remember how I talked earlier, we need to be able to count backwards from 20. So let's do that one more time. I'm gonna do the numbers. Here we go. Let's count backwards from 20. We got to practice this so we have it down. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So let's erase that and get on to subtraction with regrouping. So with subtraction, I'm going to give you the reminder on top to know that you're regrouping, but eventually you're not going to have that little reminder, but we'll just keep going. Here we go. Again, when it's the subtraction sign, we're going backwards. It's the addition, going forward. So counting back or counting forward, depending on that sign. Here we go. So remember how when I said we weren't doing regrouping, the first thing you needed to make sure was the one on the floor had more. Well, if you look at this one, the one on the floor definitely does not have more than the one up here on top, if you can see. So the 7 is larger than the 2. So if you see that the one on the floor, I'm going to put our dots here. Okay, so if you see that the one on the floor has more, you have to go next door and borrow 10 more. But if you notice here, if you were to borrow from the person next door, because remember we always start out on the right, you go over here to borrow 10, you would take that one there. So your new number would be 12. Well, look below. It's 12. So this is why we count backwards from 20. So you start out with 12, touching that number, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. There you go. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Now let's try this again. The one on the floor has more. So 9 is more than 3. So the one on the floor has more. Go next door. Our 1's over here. 10's over here. Actually, I need to put our lines there too. So let's try that. Because we want to make sure we write the new numbers. There you go. I'll put the 10s and 1s over on the side. Okay, we're gonna go next door. So you're gonna take 10 1s from this side, which would make this a 1. And this would then become 13. You see how I did that? I took 10 1s, and I brought it over here. So the first number you're going to touch is 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 4. And now you have a new number here, 1. Remember, start out with the number it is, 1, 0. So you don't really even need to put something. So 23 minus 19 is 4. You can do this with a lot of other numbers. Just remember to focus on the fact that you are grouping if the one on the floor has more than the one on top. So the one on the floor has more. You have to borrow, go next door and get 10 from your next door neighbor. I hope you guys are doing great, and I hope this house will do some more of this in class. And please contact me if you need some more. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Rough videos.